How to fix ChatGPT unable to load site issue. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix unable to load site on ChatGPT. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Now go to settings. Here select privacy and security. Then click on third-party cookies and then select see all site data and permissions. Here type OpenAI in the search bar and clear the cache files. Now log back into your account and check if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you want to launch open settings on your laptop or PC. Then click on network and internet. Now select advanced network settings. Here click network reset and then select reset now. Now restart your computer. If the issue still persists, you want to try using a different web browser like Opera, Brave, or Firefox. Make sure to turn off your VPN or use a different VPN app if needed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.